update. Now today didn't quite go to plan. Well, actually it didn't, because I was going to Dunedin for a course, and so we left at 5:30 a.m. We got back at 4 p.m. We only just got there with 2 minutes to spare, and we left with only 2 minutes to spare and had to drive straight back here non-stop. So, triumphs. What are your triumphs today? My triumphs: I had my half a cup of porridge. I took my lunch with me. I did not buy anything else apart from a long black. What are yours? Now when it comes to the exercise, none today. Didn't have time, because as soon as I got back I was straight to work, and it is now 7:15 p.m. and I'm just about to leave work. So what I am going to do is do tomorrow, if I get the chance. The plan is the strength work I should have done on Monday plus a cardio. That makes 2. So I did the cardio on Monday. I'm going to do a strength workout and a cardio tomorrow. When I've concocted that strength workout, I will post it to you the following day and you can follow it too. So your target today ideally was 30 minutes of strength-based body weight exercises. If you got that done, you're doing better than I am. Finally, what have you not done? Well, I have not. I have not eaten any junk. I have not purchased any junk. I have drunk water, or black coffee, or chamomile tea. That's my triumphs. What are yours? Catch you tomorrow. Post below how you're going.